Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to batch editing in Adobe Lightroom. So basically you will need to open your Lightroom and go to your library here and go to your collection or your catalogs and click on all photographs or the library where you want to batch edit on it. So basically I have only two images here. Let's just import many other image. So I'm just going to choose, let's just have some copy of these. Let's just like that have them here and go like this and just dragging them to here, and now I have them added in my library. So just import. So those are all my photographs. So basically if I want to batch editing, I need to select them all. So all I need to do is to click on control and go back to library, click on control and start selecting all your images. So now you will have the ability to start batch editing. So if I go like decrease the exposure, I will be able to edit them all. So here if you go like this, you need to have like an auto sync, for example. Go now. uh, that's it. So basically we go back to our library. Also you can just control no click on control A to select them all and have all uh, the thing that you want to do, like I mean all the settings or all the adjustments, and they will be added or applied to each thing. Now if you want to have like a small changes in a photo and not affecting all the other synchronization or other photos, all you need is to turn off your sync and go to for example we make it green, and then I will go for auto sync. And if I go back to my library, I will have that is the only one that's become green, and it won't affect the other uh, pictures. So basically this is the batch editing. So you will need just to have like a synchronized editing or synchronized settings. So that's it, and you will have also the ability to control which setting to synchronize in your image, and you will have like adding the other quick adjustment. So basically this is how you can batch edit in Adobe Lightroom. Thank you for watching and goodbye.